Hello and welcome to Fun Learning. Today our topic is image. We are going to learn how to work with the image, how to insert the image, how to change its size and height and weight, and also how to work with different GIF file. That also we are going to learn. So let's start. First, we will learn that what are the different formats of the image. These are the different file formats, that is APNG, full form is Animated Portable Network Graphics; GIF, full form is Graphics Interchange Format; ICO, that is Microsoft Icon; JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group; and PNG, Portable Network Graphics, and also SVG. And these are its extension. Among that, the most popular is GIF, JPG, PNG, which you are using frequently. So let's start working with this. So the tag for image is img, and as we all know that img is a empty tag, means it doesn't have any closing tag, it only have the opening tag. And img tag will have two attributes in general. One is src and one is alt, though we have separate other uh, attributes as well, like width, height. These are the different other attributes, but we have these two attributes, that is src and alt, which we will use frequently. src stands for source, means the image source where we have kept the image. It may be in your computer, it may be in internet, any file from internet, it may be saved in any drives of your computer. So that particular location we have to mention under the src. And alt means it is the alternatives. So let me show you how to work with the image. So here we are going to start the img tag, and src equals to the location of the image I need to provide, and along with that I'll write the alternative, but that I will show you later. So that is the img tag. Now here what we should write, remember that if the image and the html file is present in the same location, like suppose you have saved this html file in desktop and the image is also present in desktop, then you don't have to provide the complete address, only the image name you will provide, along with the extension the image will appear. But if the html document and your picture is in different location, in that case you have to use the exact location of the image. So let me show you. Here I am writing, suppose I want to add an image which is present in E drive. Suppose this image I want to bring, the image name is Funlearning. This image I want to bring, and let me see what is the file type. I'll right click on this, I'll come to the properties, and I'll see that in E drive the image is present, the type of the image is .png. So when I will use the image, I have to mention the image name along with .png, that is the extension. So let me come back, and I'm writing here E drive, because the image is present in E drive, E colon backslash, then Funlearning dot png. So I've mentioned the complete image address, and I'm saving this file, and I will minimize this. I'll come back to my page and refresh. You'll see that the image is coming here. So this is how we can bring the image. Now the question is that how to change the height and the width of the image. We can also change the height and the width of the image from here. In that case we need to use another attribute of the image called height. So write here height equals to, suppose I am writing here 100. and width equals to, suppose I am writing here 100 as well, and I am saving this, coming back and refresh. You'll see that the image size will reduce. So this is how we can change the image height and width. We can set it accordingly. Now I'll show you how to change the alignment of the image. For that also we need to provide another attribute called as align. So I'll write here align equals to, if you want to set it in the right side, you'll write it right. If you want that image will be present in the left side, then you may write it as align equals to left, or by default the image will come in the left side. If you want to set it to the right side, you will write here right. If you want to set it to the center, you will write here center. So I'm coming to file and saving it, coming back and refresh. So see that the image will come to the right side. So in this way we will be able to set our image alignment to the left, to center, to the right. So now I'll show you that how to you give the border of the image. So the image border also we can provide. For that we have to use here border equals to, under double quotation I'll write, suppose I want a border of size 10, so I'll write here 10. If we want a thicker border than this, you will write here 15, 20, whatever you want. As per your choice, you can mention it. So I'll now save and refresh. You'll see that one border is coming around the image. So this is how we can give the border. So these all are coming under the attribute of the image, but these all are not mandatory. But if you will not provide the source of the image, then the image will not appear. So this is how we can give the border. We can set the height and width. Now suppose the image is not present in that location. So if I will not mention here, we all know that I have saved the image file, this HTML file in desktop. Now if I will not mention here the exact location of the image, so machine will understand that the image is present in desktop only. But right now we all know that this image is not present in desktop, it is present in E drive. So I'm going to file, save, come back and refresh. Now see that the image is not showing. Why? Because machine will understand that you have not provided any particular location, means the image is present in the same place. But in the same place where I have saved this HTML file, there the image is not present. So in that case, this kind of thing will come. This means that the image is missing. So instead of showing this kind of thing, if we want to add one message here, that is also possible. So that we will write here under the alt. So I'll write here alt equals to the message which you want to provide. Suppose I want to provide that the image you are looking for is missing. This message suppose you want to provide. The image which you are looking for is missing. This message you want to provide. So I'll show you how it is working. Coming back, refresh, see. Right now the image is not present. That's why this is showing the image you are looking for is missing. Now suppose I'm just copying this image from here and I'm pasting the image in desktop. I'm just pasting the image in desktop. Here in desktop I'm pasting the image. Done. So the image is present here in desktop as well. So I'm just coming to my document I'm saving it. See, I have not mentioned any location here. This means that both of them are present in the same location. So I'm just refreshing it. See, the image is present now. But the particular message which we have provided, that is vanished, because that is the alternatives. Means that if the image will be missing, then only that particular message is going to be shown. Otherwise, it will not be shown. The image will be shown instead of that. So this is how we can insert the image. Now I'll show you that how to insert a GIF file. GIF means the animated pictures. So if you want to insert any animated picture, so you may download it from internet, like I have written here, GIF free download, and I will search it. Here one website is given. I'll right click and open it, so that website will come in front of me. Now suppose this picture you want to insert, or suppose this picture you want to insert. This is a GIF file which you want to insert, suppose. So right click on this, you'll click on save image, and after that the location where you want to save it. Suppose I want to save it in desktop. The image name is 200. Leave it. Let me take another image. Suppose this image. I'll right click, save image as. So I have selected here desktop. Let me open the image first. I'm opening it in new page, new tab. So the image is opened, because instead of that you may not get the exact location. So now I will right click, save image as. Now the image name it will show. See, the image name is Jiffy. So I will write here Jiffy and GIF image. It is kind of GIF file. I'll click on save. So I'll click on save. So it will be saved in desktop. This particular image will be saved in desktop. So let me show you whether the image is present or not. This is desktop. See, the image is present. So I'll double click it. You will see that the particular GIF file is working here. So this GIF file you can use in your document. See, this is the GIF file which I want to use. So this is already present in desktop, and my HTML file is also present in desktop. So that's why I don't have to provide the exact address, just the name of that particular image or GIF file I'll provide, and it will work. Let me show you. So here I am writing the same code, copying it and pasting it here. I'm writing the same code, just I am changing the name of that image. What was the name of the image? The name of the image was jiffy.gif. So I'm writing here jiffy.gif, and I'll save it. And here the alignment, I'm not setting it to the right, because in the right side already one image is present. So file, save, come back, come to my file and refresh it. You'll see that the image is coming here in the left side. So this is how I can also use the image, means a GIF file also. So GIF file and normal image file, both we can insert in our document. Now I'll show you that if the image is actually not present in that location, you want to add the image from another website. Suppose you want that in this website the image is already present, you don't want to download the image. You don't want to download the image, you want to use the image directly. That is also possible. Means right now what I have did, I have just downloaded the image, I have saved the image in desktop. After that I have used the image. But if you want that, no, from the directly from the website it is going to be shown, that also you can do. So how to do that? Let me show you. I'm just closing this all. Now suppose this one I want to take. So I'm right clicking on this. I'm clicking on open in new tab. So the GIF file will be loaded, and after that I'm just right clicking on the image. I'm clicking on copy image address. I'll right click and click on copy image address, and I'll come back to my program, and instead of writing this gp.gif, you will just paste that particular address whatever is present. You don't have to modify it. Whatever address you have copied, you just paste it here. I'm going to file and save it, coming back, coming to my program and refresh. You'll see that that particular image is loaded, but we have not saved the image. This image is directly playing for that, but from that particular website. So this is also possible, means we can link another website image also, another website GIF picture also, we can directly link into our document and we can directly play it. But make it very clear before before inserting any kind of image, make it very clear that whether the image is patent or not. If it is patent, then you cannot use without the permission of that particular author. So take the permission, then you will use. Otherwise, you have to use the free content, which is patent free, that you can use here in your document. So this is how we can insert any GIF file. We can insert any normal picture. We can set the size, height, width, and also we can give the border of the image. So this is all about the image.